Hey guys, welcome back to Addy and Bella Crafts, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Vanna's Choice from Lion Brand yarns. So Vanna's Choice is probably one of the yarns that you have seen me use quite a bit in the last few months, and that is because this is one of my favorite yarns to use. It is a number 4 worsted weight yarn, yet it is one of the bulkier worsted weight yarns, which is why I like to use it on my knitting looms so much, because it can fit on the thinner gauge ones and on the regular ones and even some of the bulkier gauge looms. It's a pretty diverse yarn that you can use pretty much anywhere, and I think it is pretty compatible with crochet hooks and knitting hook sizes. I don't think it's super picky with the arrays of sizing of looms and crochet hooks and needles that you can use, which I think is why it is so popular. It also does come in a wide array of different colors. This is a hat that I made with it in this like very nice deep purple color. Right now I only have this, I guess it's this nice blue color, and I have 3 of these. I don't have one that is like completely unused right now, but this is what pretty much every single one of the packaging looks like. This isn't very expensive. As far as I know, I think they're about $4 at my local craft stores, and I think you might be able to get it a little bit cheaper other places, and you can buy them online. It's a very popular yarn, so I think that you could probably find this anywhere. And I saw this in my clearance bin, so I always check there, and usually they have them for pretty good prices around me, so this is definitely like one of my easiest go-to yarns to get. Now, I like it because it isn't like the softest yarn ever, but it's also not super scratchy either. It's pretty much a nice in the middle. It makes for a very nice hat. I guess if you are more sensitive skinned or something, then you might want to go with a slightly softer yarn, but I feel like this is like the everybody yarn. I feel like it is very stretchy and nice, but it also gives hats a nice firm shape as well. So I think that's why it is such a nice yarn, is because it holds up your stitches very nicely. I've had this hat for quite a while now, and this yarn is definitely machine washable and dryable as well. And yeah, I'm just really quick going to read you guys the, I guess, back part of the little sleeve on the yarn. So it is 100% acrylic. There are 3.5 ounces. It's 170 yards. Let's see here. It does say that it is a medium worsted. It is from Lion brand. It is machine washable and dryable. If you are knitting a swatch, this is what the sizing would be, I guess. Right there. And it is sapphire, so that is what the color is. And then it has like this little measuring tape, I guess, on the sides of it. I don't really ever use these, just because I feel like everyone who does crafts has one that they can just easily use, that's just like a handheld one. But yeah, that's Vanna's Choice yarn. All in all, I really recommend this yarn brand, so if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications bell if you want to get notified whenever we upload any new videos. And if you have any questions about the yarn, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!